Here's how to set up tip credits in Gusto step by step. Begin by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and select People. This opens the area where employee profiles are managed, including pay and compensation details. If your account has several team members listed, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving forward. From the People page, find the employee who receives tips and select their profile. Make sure you choose the correct employee, especially if there are multiple staff members with similar roles. Opening the right profile matters here because the tip setting is applied at the employee level and not across the whole company from this screen. After the employee profile opens, go to the compensation section. This is where Gusto stores wage information and payroll-related settings for that person. In that section, click Edit to make changes. If the page takes a moment to load the editable fields, wait until the compensation details are fully visible before continuing. Within the compensation settings, look for the option labeled This employee receives tips. Turn that option on. This tells Gusto that the employee should be set up with tip-related pay information as part of their compensation record. When you enable it, pay attention to any related wage details shown on the screen so you can confirm everything matches the employee's current setup. Next, review the wage details listed for that employee. This is the point where you verify that the compensation information on the page is still correct before saving the update. Depending on your account settings, Gusto may ask for a reason for change. If that prompt appears, enter the requested reason in the field provided. Keep the entry aligned with the update you are making so the employee record reflects why the compensation setting was changed. Once the wage details have been reviewed and the reason has been entered, click Save. This applies the tip setting to the employee's compensation profile. If the system takes a brief moment to process, wait until the save is complete and the page refreshes or confirms the update. That confirmation is your signal that the employee record now includes the tip setting. The process is short, but it is worth checking each screen carefully as you go. You are moving through the employee profile, opening compensation, enabling the tip option, reviewing the wage details, adding a reason if Gusto requests one, and then saving the change. Following that order keeps the update tied to the right employee and helps avoid changing the wrong record. Tip credits are now set up for the selected employee in Gusto.